I'm joined by Baris Krichikayev from Corning. Baris, you're very welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much, Mike.
Can you tell us a little bit more about Corning and the products you have here at GITEX this year?
Sure. Corning is one of the oldest technology companies in the world. It's been founded in 1851 in the United States. It's an American company for a Fortune 500 corporation, and it is indeed the inventor of the optical fiber transmission systems in the world. Corning has been in the industry, as I mentioned, around 160 years now, and very, very innovative corporation, and has been doing lots of life-changing inventions. It started with a basic glass manufacturing with a small glass workshop in the United States. And then invented the first heat-resistant glass. That's beginning of the 19th century, and a big brand called Pyrex, which is a kitchenware. Most of the people is aware. It's a known name. And after that, Corning invented the first mass manufacturing of cathode ray tubes to be used in the television screens around 1940s. And a third life-changing invention of Corning is the optical fiber in 1972, 1973. So optical fiber is a thin glass strand, extremely pure in glass, and it allows the light signals to travel kilometers and kilometers, long distances, which is enabling the core infrastructure of entire telecommunications, voice transmission, data transmission, internet, television, and everything. So starting from 1970s, Corning invested heavily in developing various products and solutions on the fiber optic systems and fiber optic cabling solutions for the telecommunications infrastructure. And we are here now in GITEX, showcasing some of our newest brand new products and solutions.
So Corning has always been at the cutting edge of this industry. I mean, they have basically laid foundations for everyone else to follow.
That's exactly. Corning has been always trying its best to be the leader in the technology, innovation, as well as spending tremendous money and investment on the research and development. And here in GITEX, we are showcasing one of our product solution, which is called Edge, particularly developed and designed for the high density data center applications, because optical fiber is everywhere at the moment. It's in our lives. It's been used between the continents, between countries, cities, between the buildings, and now it's everywhere, even in our areas where we are living now. Fiber is now fiber to the home technologies and data centers, of course. Data centers is the brain of the whole corporations, and running extremely high computing powers, very, very mission critical applications, and they require, all of these data center applications require a seamless connectivity over fiber. And Corning Cable Systems has come up with a solution called Edge, which is a pre-terminated fiber optic cables and connectors, which allows around 100, not around, exactly 100% increase on the density. With the Corning Edge solution, you can have extreme real estate space savings inside the data center, because you basically need half of the space to be able to house the fiber optic cables and connectors. In addition to that, the Corning Edge solution provides 85% faster installation, because everything is pre-terminated in Corning factories and shipped, custom made and shipped to the data centers all around the world, and of course in the Middle East.
Boris, you mentioned there about it's really part of our everyday life. So, am I right in saying that you basically cover every spectrum with regards to demand for your product?
That's correct, Mike. Now, fiber optic is being used for communication of us, of the human generation, as well as now the machines and microprocessors needs to communicate to each other, and they are also using optical fiber, because optical fiber is this is the fastest way of communicating. It's the speed of light we're talking about. So we as Corning working with several vertical markets in the Middle East, which includes, of course, the telecommunication companies, aviation industry, transportation, defense, hospitals, education, universities, and finance and banking. And if you look to all of these verticals, you will be seeing highly mission critical applications running. And when it's a mission critical application, you need to have the fastest communication and uninterrupted, and there's no possibility or no allowance for downtime. So all of these factors are bringing all these industries to come up with innovative ideas to house more and more fiber for their networks, whether it's a local area network, a wide area network, or a data center.
Boris, it's clear that the demand for your product there is huge. But within this region, what are there any challenges that still need to be overcome within this region?
Definitely, there are some challenges within the region in the Middle East. One of the key challenges we're facing is really to pass the message, to convey the new technologies, new developments, whether it's inside Corning or in the industry or with the standard bodies, to convey these messages to each and every company, each and every customer in the region. So, in other words, sales coverage or technical coverage is being one of the key challenges. However, we in Corning are doing quite well in order to overcome these challenges, and we are making ourselves available in I can say nearly all of the countries in the Middle East and Africa region, and we are continuously in contact with our customers, our clients. They are basically IT managers, IT directors, network engineers in different corporations in those verticals, and we are doing our best to provide them the latest technology information and latest standards updates, as well as the innovations, of course, within Corning.
You've just mentioned there are some strategies. I mean, what strategies are you taking from, obviously your origins are in North America, what strategies are you taking from those regions and reinforcing within this region in order to overcome those challenges?
Well, as mentioned, Corning is investing heavily on the research and development. It is one of the key corporations in the US who is spending nearly 10% of their annual revenue to R&D, and we are overcoming the challenges of this region basically with being the leader in the technology and serving and helping our customers with the best and with the optimum, highly engineered, optimum solutions, and providing the newest technology and the best innovations, and making all of these new innovations available for everyone in the region.
Okay, Boris, thank you very much for joining us. It's been very informative. I wish you all the best.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you very much now.
Opportunity.
Thank you.